Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng second income pero wala kang oras, wala kang puhunan at pagod ka na, kapoy na? Good news, may paraan. Ito ang pinakamabilis na way to build a second income starting today. Hi there, this is Shingitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Nako, I always tell people, your 9-to-5 job will pay the bills, but your second income will help you build your dreams. Today, I will show you yung fastest way to build a second income without compromising your original job, original work. Hindi to hype, walang magic, pure ideas and strategy. Number 1, use your existing skills that you already have. Wala nang learning curve. Nagtanong kasi sa akin isang kababayan nating OFW na sinabi niya, Shinky, magpo-for good na ako pero di ko alam kung anong magandang negosyo. Pagbalik ko, anong magandang negosyo? Sabi ko, ano trabaho mo? 30 years na akong chef. Alam mo, bagay sa'yo, hardware store. So, sabi ko, ha? Anong alam mo sa hardware store? Sabi ko, anong alam mo? Cooking. O anong pinakamalapit sa cooking? Resto. Nagtanong ka pa. Ito yung pinakamabilis. Gagamitin mo lang kung anong alam mo today. Writing ba? Editing ba? Selling ba? Teaching ba? Organization skills? Social media skills? Graphic design? Tapos skill mo na yan. Hindi mo na kailangang pag-aralan. Believe me. You are just one skill away to double your income. Yung second income mo, start it with your skills. To step number 2. Alam mo, gamitin natin itong skill mo na alam mo into one small, clear offer. Kailangan simple. Kailangan madaling paintindihan. Yung gets agad ng customer. Like for example, video editing. Ang presyo ko, like for example, per editing, 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. For example, graphic design, presyo ko 500 pesos. Nagigets nyo? Clear ang offer. So, para at least pasang income. Step number 3. Sell the offer where people already exist. Hindi ka nagagawa ng complicated website. Huwag ka na gumastos ng ads. Pinakamabilis na platform, alam mo, para ma-promote mo sa second income, Facebook page, Facebook profile, FB groups, Messenger, Marketplace, TikTok videos, IG stories. Yung customers mo nandun na. All you need to do is just post. Kwento mo lang kung ano ginagawa mo. I teach people and I help people on how to do this. Tingnan mo yung latest na gawa ko. If you need any help, just DM me. Step number 4, mag-DM ka ng mga taong kakilala mo. At least 20 people. Ito yung pinaka-underrated fastest conversion strategy. Believe me. For example, yung mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, kapatid, ka-friendship. Like for example, sabi mo, uy, mga ka-friendship, I'm offering right now my service. If any one of you needs this service, message me anytime. Parang simple, hindi pilit, hindi nakakaya, pero maniwala ka. Effective yan. Step number 5, make sure you deliver fast. You communicate fast. You improve fast. Yan ang tamang formula. Speed. Pag mabandali ka magtrabaho, pagkakatiwalaan ka. Pag pinagkatiwalaan ka, pagkaroon ka ng repeat clients, stable na ang second income mo. If you reply fast, deliver fast, and fix your problem fast, your clients will return and refer. Meron ka na ba natulungan regarding this? Yes. Meron akong natulungan na isang OFW sa Dubai. Ginamit niya existing skill niya. Very clear ang offer niya. Post siya, nag-message siya ng 20 contacts, and then itong ginawa niyang diskarte. Sinabi niya, sige, kung may mga event kayo, pwede niyo ako invite, yung first, libre. Pumunta siya sa event, picture. Nung nagustuhan, sabi niya, uy, baka may next event kami, pwede ka maka-invite. Yung first event, libre. Yung second event, may bayad na. You know what happened? After 1 month, 30 days, nagkaroon siya ng extra income ng 27,000 pesos. Side hustle yan. Walang magic, walang hype. Anong ginawa niya? Uses existing skills, in-offer niya, and then after that, the rest is history. If you follow this, you can build your second income faster within 30 to 60 days. Hindi siya mahirap. Mahirap lang pag di mo alam. Pero pag alam mo na, madali na siya. So mga kapatid, sana naman makabuild po kayo ng second income today at kung kailangan nyo pang gabay, ano mo kailangan gawin? Mag-subscribe ka na sa channel na ito. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina, ang susi sa pagyaman.
Shinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.